Okay, here is the addendum. This is this board that was the subject of previous parts of this video. I did attempt to resolder or replace this socket. It was a success, but it was in vain. I don't know if you can see it, but this board suffered from delamination. Here, I don't know if it is visible, here is a pop-up place. If I visited it with my microscope, under the microscope I could see that those vias are broken. I tried to repair them with a small piece of wire, but it didn't help. So it is generally a failure. As I would say, the surgical operation succeeded, but the patient died. I was not expecting it, but it was a possibility that one should take under consideration seriously, because this board was, I did salvage this computer as a whole, so I wanted to have this original board in it, but this computer was salvaged, as I said, from junkyard, and it was at the junkyard for some time. The whole thing was very dirty and was soaked with water. And when I first powered it up, it operated, but afterwards, after some time, probably when this processor started to heating up, the moisture that was penetrating this area got into, I would say, state of vapor and delaminated this board. This delamination was very small. I didn't notice it at first, so now it is not very, but rather pronounced. So I think that the whole process of desoldering and soldering another socket helped to pronounce this problem of delamination. So this board is not working. It is now I would say a source of spares. I would remove those capacitors that I did put as a new ones, and other parts might be salvaged from this board. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.